how to book stays in Expedia. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. So in today's video, I will guide you on how you can book stays or hotels or travels on Expedia. So make sure to watch the video till the end. All you have to do is launch the Expedia app. Now if you want to book a flight, then you can tap on the flight icon from the top right. But then if you don't want to book a flight, you want to book some kind of place to stay, then you can just select the stays option over here. You can select a destination where you want to stay in this case. So I'll just go ahead and select it, and then once I select a destination, I'll be able to see the dates and then travelers, and then I'll just tap on the search button. It will search for relevant stays and travels that are actually available, and then right over here, after it filters the details based on your search, you should be able to go ahead and then select your stay, confirm the checkout process, and as you can see, just confirm the checkout process, and then you'll be able to go ahead and then finish your stay. And that's all it takes to go ahead and then simply book a stay on the Expedia app. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions though, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.